What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a blessed day. Today we're checking out Rivermaya, Balisong, which I think means break song. So let's get into this. Wanted to get into something a little bit chill. My cell phone wasn't working. It stopped working this morning. I was like, what the hell? What am I going to do without my cell phone? I have no cell phone. Oh my goodness. But then you got to sit back and say, come on, man. I got to say to myself, you don't need your cell. You're going to be fine. You're going to survive for 24, 48 hours, whatever it is. I mean, you want to cry? Do you need some first world tissues? First world tissues to wipe your tears from having no cell phone. Of course, I wasn't crying, but anyways, we're getting into Rivermaya, you guys. As always, any recommendations or requests down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. So far with Rivermaya, I know that the lead singer is Rico Blanco, and I've reacted to 20 million. You'll Be Safe Here, which I absolutely loved. That was a fantastic song. And also, me and my girlfriend May did this song 214, which apparently the meaning behind that is Valentine's Day, but I'm not sure if I'm 100% correct on that. Apparently, Rico Blanco did release a video explaining the exact significance of that title, but I've yet to see it or, experience the explanation. But anyways, music is ever, you can interpret it in so many different ways. So let's get to this Rivermaya Balisong. I'm excited. Let's do it. Three, two, one, go. Music video. Filmed on a potato. This is high quality right here. 240p. Sorry everybody. There we go.
Your face lights up the sky on the highway. Someday you share your world with me. Someday.
Damn, these vocals.
You mesmerize me with diamond eyes. I try to fool myself to think I'll be alright, but I am losing all control.
This is smooth. Sonically just amazing.
But I am losing all control.
Hey.
My mind, my heart, my body, and my soul. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted and more.
I love this sonically. That's fascinating. It's kind of minimalistic, but it's very beautiful at the same time.
To speak or not to, where to begin? The great dilemmas I'm finding myself in. For all I know, you only see me as a friend. I try to tell myself, wake up, fool. This fairy tale's got to end. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's.
It also almost reminds me a little bit of like 60s, late 60s, early 70s Beatles. A little bit.
Made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted.
And go.
You're everything I wanted.
To live is to cherish. That melody was absolutely wonderful. Those high notes at the end there were fascinating, and it was a very chill track. Musically, it was very, very nice. That bass riff reminded me of something, but I can't think of what it is. Let's go back a little bit here.
Myself to think I'll be alright.
That actually, it's a guitar riff. The dun, 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 dun.
But I am losing all control.
Man, absolutely wonderful song. As always, everybody, recommendations and requests down below, and I'll get to them in good time. Let's get to the outro song, and then I'll let y'all go. Let's see here. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Who's ready? Who's ready for the steady Eddie guy? When I'm on a microphone, I make confetti come down from the sky. Always gonna look you in the eye before you die. When we're on a microphone, I know that I'm gonna home in on a game. Just like a missile coming through like the rainstorm. You know that I brainstorm. I do what I have to. I know that I'm brutal and I am an asshole. I am just joking this time, but you know that it is factual. So at the same time, I just rhyme. I do what I want. Do what I want. Do what I want. I do what I want. Do what I want. Do what I want. Do what I want. Give me a beat, give me a rhyme book, give me some time to write some hooks. You know that you will take a second look at these rhythms, cause they're divine when they shine in your eyes. Understand that I'm always gonna go around the world like Superman. Blue and red cape, make no mistake, I'm great. Hey, what will you do when you know that you're looking just so confused and you have created an illusion for the contusion that has hit your brain? Confusion, you don't even understand what is happening when I'm rapping, tapping into something different. I don't always know, but there is one thing I know for sure, is that I'm going to rip this mic, and I'm never ever gonna slow down. Gotta put my foot on a gas pedal. I'm gonna go fast, and I'm gonna sun you like Geppetto. You Pinocchio, when your nose grows, keeps on growing. I'm in the throes of woes, and I don't know where to go, so I'm gonna control everything that I've ever heard, every single word. Get more absurd as I get older, and I also get much colder. I'll leave you frozen. You simply weren't one of the chosen. So, alright, everybody. We'll see you later. Bye.